Hello guys, it's been a while. I'm back, and today we're gonna talk about these wonderful voicings, couple of them, which you might not know, and I really love them. They are modern voicings used a lot of in modern jazz, among modern jazz compositions, and also in gospel music, Neosoul music. So if you want to spice it up a little bit, some of your compositions, or you just want to know some couple of beautiful voicings and start composing by using them, so here you are. We're gonna talk about, first of all, about this modification of the God chord. And I don't know if you know what the God chord is, but this is not like an extremely popular term, but I've heard that around the internet that people call it God chord because it is like very popular among gospel musicians, and it's popular to substitute the major chords in worship music by this chord. It's a wonderful chord, and yes, you can basically substitute any major chord with this, have a beautiful gospelish sound. So what it is? So basically, it is add 9 chord. So you have, let's say, if you have C add 9. The third degree falls to the bottom. Yeah. So basically, how to find that quickly? I think the best way is to think that if you have your root, you have a C major chord, right? Then you substitute it by C sus2, and then you put the third major degree in the bottom. Yeah. So this is the God chord. Probably recognize the sound. It's a gospelish sound. What you can do to make it even more hip, so what I do is add the major 7 to it. You have the God chord, and then you add this major 7 here. Yeah. Yeah, and then if you invert this, there's another really nice voicing which I was using in the opening of this video. So it's when you put that major 7 upwards, you see, the feeling is like you kind of have G major triad second inversion here, you see. Got a really divine sound. I really love it. Yeah. But then you can use it with that inversion, that voicing which I showed you just before, like, you know, and create a melodies. Another voicing I'm going to show you today. It's the beautiful minor 11 voicing, and one of its inversion as well. So what I love about I do really love the minor 11 voicings, and well, so what is my favorite minor 11 voicing? Probably it's this one. So what I have here is a 1, 5, 9, 3, 11, and 7 on the top. Yeah. Now another one is where I kind of put those 2, which is 9 and 11, up there. You see? You can see that the 11 is now duplicated here, which you don't have to do, and it's also very nice if you just leave this out, and you see, beautiful sound, right? Now what I can tell you that these two chords, the God chord with the major 7, really connects beautifully with the minor 11. I can show you like how it goes. Like, for example, you just put this, you know. Yeah, or yeah. So there are lots of combinations, and I think you just have to explore. Like, yeah, if you pay attention, you would notice that I have E minor here, and on my right hand, I'm just constructing the D major add 9 voicings. You can think this way. It's kind of makes you easier to manipulate and invert it quicker. Like, see? Yeah, and then you connect one of those with any of the God chords and the major 7 added. So it's like, yeah. So keep exploring. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please hit that subscribe button and see you very soon, probably next week or sooner. Thank you.